Alright, so I had a comment on a video recently about how they installed the NPP exhaust without the dual mode. Well, like I said, I got this car used in 2017, and this is how I got it. Even with the crappily done blacked out tail lights like that, I don't really care for that either. Anyway, if you look, let me try to turn the flash on. You can see the valve part there, which opens and closes. If you look inside, I think that's the flapper part of the valve right there. So that goes to show that it does have the dual mode intact. It's just the fuse is taken out, so it's always open. If you recall, it's been a while. I forget how long ago it was that I got these tires on here. They're the Firestone Indy 500 tires. You see right there. But you see they still have really good tread on them. I mean, you know. So I just wanted to point that out as well, how they've been holding up. So I've got some running to do, so let's just do a cold start for you. Alright, so welcome back to the Redbeard Autovlog channel. I know it's been a while since I posted on this channel. It's been a few days. Before I've been a lot longer. But the last one was about interior lights. This one is a little bit of a discussion, really. I don't know if it helps the lighting or not. A little while back, my hair's a mess too, needs to be cut. I got in a conversation with someone about our cars versus other cars, and one car that I brought up was the Chevrolet Cobalt SS. This was the pre-turbo. This was the supercharged model. Now they said that the supercharged Cobalt, being as light as it is and everything, should easily be able to beat the Camaro, the V6 Camaro. But when I was in Kentucky a few months, well, it was last year sometime, my buddy has had a Cobalt SS with the supercharger, and well, you know, we messed around and had some fun there. And the outcome was quite a bit different than what we had been told. I was told, you know, like I said, I told it we would have went the other way. As it turns out, he's hiding now, but he's here somewhere. That's alright, I didn't break the speed limit, so we're good. But as it turns out, with my situation, with my case, I came out ahead of him. Not by a lot, but it was by about a fender's worth. I think that particular model of Cobalt had something like 217 horsepower stock because of the supercharger. The turbo model had 260, I believe, so quite a bit less. But with the weight, they say it should have been all the way around. my friend said it wasn't stock, so I'm not sure about all that, but nonetheless, it was a good fun time. What do you guys think about that? Do you think, that stock for stock it should have won? I mean, keep in mind though, I'm not sure how much difference the cold air induction's intake system makes, and I'm not even sure if the dual mode exhaust, performance exhaust, would even make a difference either. So yeah, that's the discussion I wanted to talk about. I haven't been focused on that channel much recently, but focused on my main channel with gameplay and stuff, video games, and I thought I would come back to this one a little bit, see if I can get anything going here. Yeah. Also, I wanted to mention that I forget how long I've had these tires on the car. The Firestone Indy 500 tires. It's been a while, but I forget how long. They're still holding up pretty well. Pretty good for wet as well as dry, as long as the temperature is adequate. Show in other videos, of course it's almost 80 degrees outside, but if it would have been 60 degrees and wet, that little bit of throttle right there would have broke loose. So they're definitely for warmer weather. Clip I want to put in here, I took the other day, of why you need to be aware of your surroundings while driving, because anything can happen. So I'm gonna put that in right here. With that, I want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos that I release like this one. Until then, have a blessed day.